Welcome to the first in a series of introductory training videos to show you some of the new features in EzCoin 2, which has just been released. EzCoin is a program to allow you to easily inventory, track, and manage your US and Canadian coin collections. EzCoin comes preloaded with comprehensive and complete databases for USA, Canada, and the Canadian provinces. It includes thousands of coin images as well as accurate market valuations for each coin in multiple grades. Have you inherited or acquired a coin collection and have no idea of its value? Not sure where to start? Or are you getting back to your childhood hobby of coin collecting and are wanting to track and value your collection? Do you need to inventory your collection for insurance purposes? Look no further. EzCoin is the perfect program for you. EzCoin can serve as a digital reference and catalog for your coins. Inventorying your coins is an absolute must if you intend to pass on your collection to loved ones or friends. It will ensure they receive a fair value for your coins should they decide to sell the collection. Let's begin by showing you some of the features in EzCoin. First, we will show you how to find a coin in the database. Once EzCoin is installed and activated, you will see the main screen similar to the one displayed here. For this video, we will be using the US database, but the functionality and features are the same in Canada and other databases. You can cycle through the supplied database using the blue navigation arrows. This will advance you one coin at a time. So let's do that. So as you can see, actually I'll clear the screen first, and we'll just start navigating one coin at a time, and you'll see that the relevant information will change depending on where you are. The green arrows here are used to navigate through the coins that you have already inventoried. So in our little sample database, we've inventoried a few coins here. Let's say you have a 1936 5-cent coin. Let's inventory that. So we'll begin by clearing the screen. By clicking on the eraser icon, sorry I didn't mention that, and then select the denomination of 5 cents from the drop down, and then type in 1936 for our year and hit enter. As you can see, it's brought up 4 coins that matches our search. Based on, there's different ones depending on the mint mark and the varieties. Let's select the first entry by highlighting it and then just hit the enter key. You can see from this coin that there are multiple grades available with different values. All we need to do is select the grade that we want to inventory. So I've already inventoried an MS60, but let's say you wanted to add an MS63 that you just acquired. You left click on that particular grade and you can click on the green $ here to add it. And what that does is it adds it to your available inventory. To save the record, you just click on the blue check mark. We could have also just clicked on the blue check mark to save it, but I just wanted to show you the other method of doing it. You can also change the quantities and who it was graded by, and you know, if you want to keep track of where you purchased it from and if you sold it, all that information is available on the secondary screens. Just note that clicking the blue check mark is what actually saves the coin to your inventory. That's all there is to it. Let's do one more example. Let's do an 1840 half dime. So again, I'll clear the screen by holding Control and click the erasing icon. And then I'm going to choose half dimes. Type in 1840. Hit enter. Again, we got four hits. We'll select the first one. And as you can see, the relevant information has been brought up. To inventory this coin again, you would just choose the grade that you want, and you can either just click the blue check mark and off you go. Now take note of the special information icon that's been lit up here. One of the nice things in EzStamp is any icon, when you hover over it down here in the taskbar, it actually shows you a brief hint of what that icon is going to do. For coins where varieties exist, clicking on the special information icon will show you details of the variety, so you can be on the lookout for it or verify that your coin is the actual variety in question. Just click on the icon to display the details. So we'll do that now. And for this particular coin, there's a variety where there is drapery below the elbow or not, and depending on the coin, you would have to look at it and decide if that's the coin that you have. Coins can also be looked up by their PCGS number, a very popular identification system for US coins. EzCoin is officially licensed by PCGS to use the PCGS numbers in EzCoin. So if you know the PCGS number, just simply enter it. For example, I know this one here is 6678. Hit enter, and that particular coin will appear. It is instantly retrieved. Another nice feature in EzCoin is our MultiEntry tool, which is available for inventorying large ranges or series of coins all at once. Let's say you had a collection of US dimes from 1950 to 1964, and you had them all. You could enter them one at a time, but EzCoin allows you to do this much more quickly. This can be accomplished just with a few clicks, and let's see how. We start by using the Rapid Multi-Entry, or RME, from the Edit menu. So we go to Edit, Rapid Entry. You would fill in the relevant information depending on what it is that you're trying to inventory. I've already pre-filled it with 10 cents 1950 to 1964. You click on Find. It found 40 matches. You begin the RME, and there they are. So there's 40 coins that it found in the range that we found. We can inventory them all. Just Control A to select them all, and then you can right-click. Click on Rapid Entry, and let's say we had all these as MS60s, and if they were all in the same location, you could enter that. So let's say for me they're on the top shelf, third drawer. Click on Inventory, and those have now been inventoried, and we can verify that by running a report, and click Show, and here they are. So here's all the 10-cent coins that we've entered. Now, any list view in EzCoin is just another way of looking at your data. So when you right-click in any list view, let me do that up here so you can see more, there's a multitude of options. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly remove all these 10-cent coins that we just entered by right-clicking on it and click on Remove from Inventory, and that's it. They're now gone. If we run that same report, you'll see that those coins are no longer in our inventory. That, by the way, that just deletes them from inventory, not from the supplied database. Again, one of the things that makes EzCoin really simple to use, in any of the reports that we supply or the ones that you create, you can edit these reports very quickly. For example, let's say you don't want to see the mint mark or the grade quantity or any of these fields for that matter. Just select a cell in any of the rows and click on H to hide. So that hid that row. Let's say you don't want to see the variety. And then you could just print that report. If you want them back, just click on Show All and they're back. Another great way to find your coins in EzCoin is using our coin browser. And what this will do is it will populate the entire database in this window, and then you can just start scrolling through and pick the coins that you want. So if you wanted to enter that 50-cent coin, you just right-click on it and add to inventory or whatever it is that you want to do. Let me just close that. There are many comprehensive search tools built into EzCoin to allow you to easily find your coins. One of the most powerful and widely used is our thumbnail viewer. You just hit F12 on your keyboard, which I'll do now, and a configurable viewer will appear. Hovering over any of the coins will display the details in the panel below. So as you can see, as I hover over any of these, you will get different information depending on what you're trying to do. And this viewer is resizable, so if you need it smaller or larger, it will self-adjust. If you wanted to inventory a particular coin, you can just double click on it, it'll close, and then you just pop it up and inventory it. Another fantastic tool built into EzCoin to help you locate coins that you want to acquire by searching eBay and online auctions. You can simply do that. Let me clear the screen first. So let's say we were looking for an 1805 10-cent piece. I'm going to type in 10 cents 1805, and you use Control E, which is our eLook technology. This will now search eBay for all matching coins. Let me pull that into view here. And as you can see, it found a fair number. Except I chose the wrong year. Let me do that again. 1805. And let's do Control E. Oops, bring it up here. Okay. And now let's do the search again. And this time we only get the 1805 10-cent coins. EzCoin also has an image compare tool so that you can view different coins at the same time. This is important when you're trying to compare coins. All you need to do is left click on any of the coins, and a second viewer will appear. You can have it stacked vertically or horizontally. Personally, I like them horizontal. And then you can just navigate to different coins. And now you say, oh gee, I wonder what the difference is. You can easily switch back and forth. Very handy tool when you're trying to compare. EzCoin has a built-in backup process that you can protect your data in case of hard drive failures or other losses. You should always back up to an external drive, such as a flash drive. Let's show you how to do a backup. So you'd go to File, Data File Utilities, Create Backup, click on Backup, and it has now backed up your database. Again, you should always do this to an external drive as well, just in case. EzCoin also has built-in context-sensitive help, which is always available by hitting F1 in the program, which I'll do now. Let's bring that into view here. So you can browse through this and choose any of the any of the help topics that you're looking for. It's all there. There's also a comprehensive PDF manual that's available in the program. Customer service, both pre and post sale, is a priority at SoftRow. We provide you with the absolute best customer service in the business. If you have any questions, we will be able to assist you via email, phone, or remote support. To purchase EzCoin, or for more information and a free demo to try before you buy, please visit our website at www.ezstamp.com. We hope you've enjoyed this outline video, and we will have more specific videos on different topics in EzCoin shortly. Thank you.